Have you wondered why some affiliate marketers are going sky high and why some others are going straight to the ground? What makes the difference between super affiliate and common affiliate? And how you can become a super affiliate marketer and earn a luxury living? Hi guys, my name is Ishan Narang, and in this video I'm going to tell you of 5 easy tips on how you can be a super affiliate marketer. Plus I have a special pro tip for you in the end, so stay tuned till the end. Okay, but before, let me tell you who actually a super affiliate is. You see, due to increasing internet exposure and social media, almost everyone seems to be interested in becoming an affiliate these days. Am I right? But only a few can actually make it a top tier, or you can say making a living. Okay, so a super affiliate